Hello everyone. Now I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your money. So follow my instruction in easily. It's very easy. So first you have to click mine. Then you have to check your balance. My balance is 120 Ethiopian birr. So first you have to check authentication. Then after you press bank. So in the first, press your bank number, account number. So I will enter my own. So you enter your own. 22317325. Then enter your name. My name is Biniam. Better. So plus, please select bank. So the third one will be select bank, Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, Abai Bank, Awash Bank, Braham Bank, Bank of Abyssinia. I will choose Commercial Bank of Ethiopia. Then press confirm. After you do this, check its correct information, then modify it. You finish your success, then back to the previous one. After you finish your authentication, then you have to click withdrawal. So after you click withdrawal, you have to check your balance. My balance is 120 Ethiopia birr. Then payment term, it will be bank card. Cash withdrawal account, you have to check it. My own is right. Yes. After that, you have to check. You have to enter your account. So 100 birr. So I'll press 100 birr. Then type your password. I'll type my password too. Then easily, why you can click withdraw. Then successfully withdraw. So as you know, my balance is to your neighbor. So wait for stay patient for 12 hours. After 24 hours, you deposit to your account. Thank you so much.